Hey Ben, I mustn't whisper too loud. Mac doesn't like the dark, so when he goes to sleep all the lights are on, and I have to leave a night light, so that's his night light. Okay, now we mustn't wake him up. But oh dear, if he wakes up, he wants the lights on. Oh, okay, what's the matter, Mac? Okay, we'll put a bit more light on. We'll put this light on as well. Yeah, that's good. It's not enough. Okay, what about this light? Yeah, that's good. Okay. You want more light? Okay. Oh, yeah, that's better. Okay, that's good. Okay, Mac. Okay, that's so exciting. Look, see, the boys and girls are with us. And we're thinking a little bit about light today, which is really good, isn't it? Because we've got some lights, we've got some torches and night lights and oh yeah, there's a candle, but we don't like that because they're dangerous. They are. Got to be watching the matches, and we've got lots of lights. Well, I put the light off at night because you need to sleep. But I always leave the night light on for you, don't I? Okay, right now, Mac. What light? Well, light's for lots of things. Why do we need light? Well, I tell you what, should we ask the boys and girls? Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to give you 10 seconds on the, you stop chatting a minute, that's good. 10 seconds on the video, just to see if you can tell your teacher some of the things that lights do. So you get ready, start thinking now, and then we're going to start counting down. You ready, Mac? Okay, here's the video. So what were you thinking of? Not you, but did you think, yeah, lights help us see? They stop us being afraid at night, help us see in the dark. They can warn us about things, that's right. So lights warn us and tell us not where to walk or where to walk at better places. Yeah, that's really good. So light does a lot of things. Well, I haven't got a story actually. It's a story about how light helps a young lady. Well, I want you to listen carefully and we'll tell you the story. Are you okay? Okay, watch again. The leaders of the temple, from the temple, asked Jesus why he was being friendly to people who didn't follow God's rules. Well, Jesus was friendly with people, wasn't he? Jesus told them this story, which is called a parable, which is a story with meaning. Okay, so there was once a lady who had 10 coins that were very precious to her. And one day she saw that one of her silver coins was lost. Oh dear, yeah, I know it's hard. So she counted them carefully. 1, 2, you want to count with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, where was number 10? Where could I have dropped my precious coin, she wondered. Well, she seems to have lost it. So she looked in things and under things. She couldn't find her lost coin anywhere. She was looking in that bowl. Then she got the broom and swept out her whole house. But she didn't find that precious silver coin. Then she searched through all the cupboards and the places where she stored things. But still no silver coin. She looked under everything she could lift. Yeah, under that sheet, yeah. She bent down and went under every place a dropped coin might have rolled. The lady was very sad, but she lit a candle. Very carefully, that's right, and she searched for a precious coin in every dark corner until at last she found it. Hooray! She told her friends the good news. I found the one that was lost, she said. Everyone was happy and they all celebrated together. Yeah, that's good celebration. Jesus told this story to show how much God loves people who are far away from him. The angels in heaven, he said, celebrate when even one precious lost person trusts in God. Isn't that a great story, Mac? Yeah, you use light to find things. And so, yes, like Jesus finding us. That's really, really good. That's one. Well, I hope you've learned something about light. Light's important, isn't it? And Jesus actually called himself a name. He called himself the light of the world. That's really good, isn't it? So, Mac, I know you don't like the dark. But that's all right. We'll have a night light. That's not a problem. I don't think we need all these lights tonight, though. Is that all right? But remember, boys and girls, that there's a great big God who can take care of you, as well as your mummy and daddy and all your wonderful teachers. That's fantastic. And those who look after you, that's great. So have a really, really great week. You're getting excited for Christmas. I know, so am I. But we'll talk about Christmas another time. Take care, boys and girls. And I've got some friends of mine. No, not you, Mac. But I've Tom. Oh, you know Tom, that's right. And whoever else I got. Oh, I've got Zach. And I've got Karen. And I've also got... Oh, Kezia, that's right. And they're going to sing a song for you now. Take care, and don't forget that light always helps us find the right way, helps us see things, and also gives us lots of comfort. That's really good. Well done, Mark. You can give a good bow. That's really good. Take care, boys and girls. Bye.